In this video, we will show you how to download and install the AutoDEX Screener application on your computer for the first time. First, you need to visit our website AutoDEXScreener.com and find the download option. On the download page, you will find the available options to get the AutoDEX Screener application. It is currently available for Windows. To download the software, click on Start Download. The installer will be downloaded to your computer. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the installation guide by clicking Next through each step. During the installation, the installer will attempt to install two required dependencies on your computer: WebView2 Runtime and .NET 8.0. If your computer already has either of these installed, you can simply close the dependency installation window and continue with the process. Once the installation is complete, open AutoDEX Screener. On the first screen, you will select your preferred language. The available options are English, Portuguese, and Spanish. You will also need to set a password for the application. This password is extremely important to ensure the security of your data. After creating your password, you must accept the software's terms and conditions. Check the box and click I accept. After completing these steps, your application will be successfully installed and ready for use. We have another video showing how to configure your bot and other settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.